Hey, yo, what is going on, guys? Gabe here, back with another video, and today we're back with another video, and today we're at this pond right here in my house, right? You know, we're doing a little fishing video, and right here we got a little smallmouth bass, I believe. So yeah, set this up real quick. My bad for the things right here. Let's go ahead and take this out real quick. Here we go. It's out. And a little smallmouth bass right here. Yeah. So let's pretty good catch. Throw it back in there. And yeah. So I'll get back to you guys once I catch another fish, or I'm about to get a big one. And this is pretty big. There's some smallmouth basses, largemouth, all that. So I'll get back to you guys when I get another fish. Alrighty, guys, so welcome back again. It's been like maybe 20 or 30 minutes, somewhere around there. We caught another one, little baby smallmouth bass. You know, put this guy's up right here in the grass. Get this. It's a smaller one than last time. See if I can get the hook out. There we go. Here you go, guys. Come right here. So yeah, my friend Caleb, he's gonna be coming from his neighborhood here soon to fish with me. Hopefully to catch some fish and stuff. And it is pretty small, but you know, a fish is a fish. So yeah. Throw her back in there, and there she goes. So I'll let you guys know when Caleb gets here and if we catch another fish. So yeah, peace out. Oh snap! Did you get one, Caleb? Woo! Yes, sir.
Wow, I got him in the gill and the freaking thing. Little guy. Here, hold the picture there. Actually, I got this. To get him out of the gill first. Oh, he smells like a little fish. Like fishy. And some funny business, bro. Alright, that barb's big. Let me try to get this out first. Ow. Nice one. This is gonna come out. This is what I hate about treble hooks.
This is the third one.
Oh, got it.
There it is.
Open your mouth, buddy. Yes, sir.
There. Oh!
Okay.
Here, can I pick him up?
Yep. So you chill some.
Jeez! Relax! Oh, he's jumping in.
Let's see if he flopped in odd. Wait, try to feed him a flop in. That'd be funny.
Alright, here he is. Thanks, Caleb, for the content, you know.
Alright, dude, nice.
Yeah, a little nice release right here.
Ow, don't prick me, please. Ooh,
And he's gone. So yeah, guys, we'll get back to you
nice
when we get another fish. So yeah. Alrighty, guys, so we just caught a little smallmouth bass right here. Come here, little guy. Almost got him in the eye, but not quite. Stop scrolling.
Is it far in? No, it's right there.
It's caught.
You want me to try to get it? Alright, bet.
Alrighty, guys, so little smallmouth bass right here.
Are you want to do a release?
Why don't you chuck him in?
Alright, bet. so we're back again.
That quick? We got another one.
That quick, like 2 seconds, bro?
Cast after a cast.
Yes, sir.
Nice little stripe on him.
Yeah. A little. Here we go.
Alright, little easy on hook.
Yep, a little easy one, you know. Guys, throw it back in. Get a little close up right there. Put that right back in there. And there it
Oh,
goes.
there it goes.
Alright, guys, so I'll see you guys in probably a minute because, you know, we're that good at fishing, you know? So,
Yeah.
peace out.
Alright, guys, so we got another one. Let's go.
Decent size.
Yeah.
This might be one of the biggest ones yet.
Yeah, this is the biggest one today. We caught one like 10 times the size of that the other day, though.
Chill. What the heck? Look at his stomach. The last one's beautiful.
Whoa! Jeez, chill, dude.
Chill out. Alright, relax.
Relax, relax.
Don't hook. He's spiking me, and he's hooked in the worst spot possible.
Of course.
Just besides now.
Get some.
Ow,
Oh,
ow, ow, ow.
get some close-ups
So
real
he just
quick.
hooked me. Let me set him down because I just got freaking hooks. That hurt. Oh,
Here, set him down on the ground. He might flop out of it.
that freaking hurt. Relax, buddy, relax. Alright, do your thing. I don't even care.
Yeah, he's a flopper for sure. Here, hold this.
Let me try.
Yeah. My finger hurts because I got hooked. See if he'll chill out for you.
Step on those.
Oh, he's dirty.
Well, now he's rolling around in dirt. Did he get hooked in
He
the
got
top lip
hooked
now?
again. Oh my gosh.
His mouth is pried, so that's annoying. I can get the top one out. Yeah, the top one's easy. Nice. No, so you need to get the. I couldn't get the freaking bottom one because it hurt my thumb or my finger. Got me right there. Hurt. Come on, Gabe.
He's not wiggling around anymore.
Yeah, I think he just wants this out.
I'm trying.
I think he's like, just get this out of my mouth, man.
Here, you try.
All right.
Got you, buddy. You know you didn't want to fill your mouth. You happen to get hooked in the worst spot.
Alright, guys, I'll let you guys know when we get it out. Guys, so we got the hook out, alright? Little catch and release real quick.
Let him sit there. Let him catch his breath.
And he's
Alright,
gone. Alright, guys, so me and Caleb will
Catch you
keep
in
you
the
up,
next clip.
keep you updated, and I'll see you in the next clip. Alrighty, guys, so we just caught like a little baby fish. We were over there. Now we're over here.
It's a little cute baby. Oh shoot.
It's a little baby.
Get this one out first.
It's a little baby fish.
Oh, that came out right there. Now we just have this one.
Yep.
I know, buddy. It's just right there. Once I get it out. Oh, he's bleeding a little bit. Poor little guy.
It's alright. Shots.
Oh, probably if I open his mouth like this, it should be easier. He's caught on the tiniest piece of skin right there, man. I know, buddy.
Alright, guys, so we'll get you when we come back, or when we get the hook out.
Guys, so,
I just got him out.
yeah, this is my fish. Not kidding. Credits to Caleb. He just cast it out there. Horrible cast.
And then managed to cut this little baby on it. I dropped your phone in the water, Gabe. Why do you have him flipped over? Flip him over.
Get him off.
Oh.
There we go. Oh.
Nope.
Okay, there. So we just caught another freaking fish. Caleb had one, but
I had a massive one on.
I thought that was my line for a second.
Did it get off?
Oh yeah, he got off.
Oh, bet. Then they had to.
Stop.
Chill out, man. You
Better
get a
stop,
close
bro.
up on him?
Better stop, bro.
Where he going?
Better stop, bro. All right, guys. So we got a little one. You know.
Well, they had a big one, but decides to just get off the line.
Yeah, it don't matter. Fish is a fish, right?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, let's do this.
Let's give him a little release. We're in a perfect spot to release him.
Ooh, almost fell in.
We're in a nice open area.
Here we go.
Oh.
And he dips, because he is a fast one. All right,
All right.
guys, I'll see you guys in my next clip, which is going to be a big fish.
Yeah,
Maybe.
maybe.
All right, bet. We got another one. Let's go.
Oh my
And it's the hopper. It's the hopper. We've caught this dude too many times. I swear.
It'll be the same one every time, I swear.
I know, it's the wiggler and hopper.
I'll chill, fam.
I swear.
I
It's the wiggler and hopper.
don't even try any funny business. Don't even try
There
it.
he is.
Oh, he got hooked right there and he got it out himself.
All right, boys. So how many is that? 8?
Here, let's release over here.
Yeah.
And I'll do a satisfying release.
A little safe
Right here.
release.
Imagine I drop my phone. Ooh, there he
And
goes.
he's gone. He's freaking a mile away. All right, guys. Catch you when I get another fish.
Hi.
All right, guys. So we just caught a fish right here. Another smallmouth bass right here.
I'm bringing it back. I'm just holding this fish real quick.
This is a small guy.
He's in a bad spot.
Yeah. We'll get back to you guys where he's off. Guys, so we got the hook out. And it's pretty nice.
Decent size.
Yeah. Grab this. Yes, sir. Do a little catch and release right here.
That's fun.
That's probably a terrible spot, but you know, it's alright. And yeah, guys, so I'll get back to you guys when we're done fishing, or maybe this might be the last one, I'm not sure. But in case this is the last one, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And yeah, peace out.